around learning to surf, where I analyze my surfing to help you with yours. I'm Nathaniel Fife, and today I'm going to be going out there just having some fun.
Before we go there though, let's check out these clips of having some fun in the snow. Enough of that, let's get to the beach. Here I'm trying out some novelty tricks, driving a car and the cockroach. Atua from iSurf Tribe makes it look really easy here. I found it to be pretty difficult to get from laying on my belly to sitting down or lying on my back without falling over. But with enough practice I was able to get it. And here's a clip of Ben Gravy doing the same, just to prove it's not just for kids. After enough practice I was able to get this and fairly consistently be able to bust this out. So going through the footage, I found that I kept on getting stuck in the white water, and that's not where I want to be. I want to be on the wave, the face of the wave, where I'm having fun. So I want to be, here on the face of the wave, but I'm getting stuck back here. So I looked at the footage and tried to figure out what I was doing wrong. I looked at some clips from the people at How to Rip and compared frame by frame what I was doing compared to what they were doing. And they're starting at an angle and they're looking in the direction they want to go. Well, I just am looking down. And by the time I get to my feet, it's kind of too late to turn. They're there having fun and I'm stuck with the newbies. So here's a video from Surf Simply that talks more about this.
What we don't want to do is paddle into our wave and then as we're dropping down the wave start leaning on the side of the board, okay? The reason that we don't want to do that is because the board won't start turning until you start moving, right? And by the time you're moving, you're already dropping down. As you do your last 3 power paddles to get you down the front of the wave, you're not going to be looking ahead, but rather you're going to be looking left or right. Your last 3 paddles, you're going to push the board sideways. So you're actually pushing with your hand to angle the board the right amount, not just leaning on the rail as you drop down the face.
Those are some great tips from Surf Simply. I'm definitely going to try them out on my next session.
If you like these videos, subscribe!
Okay, that's a wrap. Here's some videos I think you'll like. Have fun and keep it real.